In this video, I am flying my DJI FPV drone, and you may see the propellers off to the sides because it is a wide angle camera, and I choose to leave that in there just because you can see more video. In particular, this is located down in Mexico, in Baja California, Baja Norte, south of Rosarito, north of Baja Mar and Ensenada, and I'm flying primarily around what I call Punta Piedra Cove. I don't know what it's really called, but it is right near this neighborhood called Punta Piedra, and that was the fancy neighborhood that you saw on the left a few minutes or a few seconds ago. And now I'm kind of going past the cliffs and was heading there for a minute to the very busy and populated Rosarito beach. Circling around, gonna go along the cliffs here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The day was slightly overcast, and therefore the visibility wasn't that great. It could have been better videography, I think, had the weather been a little bit better, but overall I don't think it was too bad. The waves crashing made for some very scenic and pleasant sounding noise as I was flying. This is just a killer neighborhood. It's so beautiful. It's not completely built out, but it's completely sold out. So there are some homes in Punta Piedra that are on the other side of the highway that are still for sale. I'm not sure I want to try to grab that, simply because I think that the lots closer to the ocean would be more desirable. It's just trying to find somebody that's selling one. And that's about it. This was one of the most scenic areas I've flown in yet with my drone, and it's just an absolute blast. I hope you enjoyed the video. I plan on downloading many more.